What you gonna?
Happy New Year, everybody. What was that? Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is tobiokes, but if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. It's me. I got it. So I know you haven't seen me in a while, and honestly I feel like I need to explain myself, and I'm gonna keep it short. I'm gonna keep it brief because we need to get into the video. So what's been going on with me? What hasn't been going on with me? Literally just a lot of work, a lot of thinking, a lot of reflecting on 2020 and how I'm gonna try and make this year better for me, and how I'm gonna try to overcome any obstacles that are in my way. Yeah, because 2021 is not the year to play. We need to get busy and get to work. Don't let anything hold you back this year, and I'm taking that advice for myself. And yeah, so yeah, 2021 has to be the best year for me ever. As you can tell from the title, today's video is going to be a 2021 glow up transformation, because I feel like I personally need that to start off this year fresh and to get me in the mood for the rest of the year. You know, the start of the year always reflects how the rest of the year is gonna be. But you know, yeah, so if you want to watch me glow up and see my final transformation, then keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So let's get right into this video. So I'm sitting here barefaced because the first thing that I'm going to be doing is makeup, of course. So to start off my makeup, I've got this cute headband on from the Audrey collection, linked down below. And yeah, my hair is just like this. It's pushing away the hair from my face so that I can do my makeup. So let's begin because I've been talking for too long. So to start this makeup look off, I used the Makeup Revolution eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. And I use the spoolie end. I just brush. Now, time to get busy. Roll up my sleeves. This might look weird. I take some Got To Be glue. Yeah, I spray it here. And I have to move quickly for the step. I take some and I put it on the ends of my eyebrows so they stay up. Must be thinking like, why girl? Now wipe it off with a makeup wipe. Now you might be thinking, why am I even doing that step? Why am I basically gluing the ends of my eyebrows? That is because I'm scared of shaving my eyebrows to the thin look that I want it to be. So I'd rather just glue them and conceal, you know? But who knows, 2021 might bring out a new side of me and I might do that, but not today. Now I take my makeup. This is the only product from Makeup Academy that I have, I think, that I use like all the time. I take the MUA Makeup Academy Ultra Fine Loose Setting Powder in the shade Neutralizing Apricot. And yeah, I just dip in with this beauty blender and I cover all of the ends of my eyebrows. As you can see, this doesn't cover my eyebrows completely. It just takes away the pigment in my heavily pigmented dark brown eyebrows. So yeah, now I can style my eyebrows the way I want them to look. So let's go in. So my eyebrows are looking awkward right now, but I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn and the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. And I take these two and mix them on the back of my hand, and then I use the end of this eyeshadow brush to conceal and shape my eyebrows. And I apply a lot more concealer onto the edge of the eyebrow because of course that's where it's hard and dry, and I need to hide the extra brows that I have hidden with the setting powder. So yeah. with the excess left on my hand, I am going to cover any blemishes that I might have. And now that my eyebrows are done and everything's sort of blended together, I know you can still see like this, like these things, but it's going to get covered with foundation, I promise. I don't even remember my next step, I'm not gonna lie to you. I haven't done makeup since last year.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Oh, what's wrong with me? Okay, so the next step is I take a mixture that I created a while ago. Then I use it to go over any dark areas again and conceal before I put on foundation. So now I take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in the shade F13.2, and I literally put it in areas of my face and then I blend it with my foundation brush. Okay, so now that my foundation is done, I'm gonna go in with this Morphe palette in 35R and I'm going to contour my nose. Now, in my makeup steps, I'm going to, I kind of just go along, like I have this routine in my mind and then I just do whatever's in my routine. If it's all over the place in the next video that you see, still the same end result, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna conceal again just to shape my actual face. Yeah, conceal, shape my, you know. Okay. Now that that step is done, I'm gonna be going in with my eyeshadow palette again and I'm going to just do some simple brown eyeshadow on my eyelids. Now I'm just gonna start getting into the look, you know? I'm still not a pro eyeliner, so don't come, please just be patient. Now I take my spider lashes, but I like to call it a style. To contour, I go back in with my Morphe palette and my foundation brush. I just use these colours. I just go like that, literally. Next, I take the 35B palette, which has actually been discontinued. I do not know why. I take this and I go in with like the red shades and the dark shades to make a blush for my face. The thing is, I used to hate blush, but now look at me. I kind of just do it until I'm satisfied with the outcome. So yeah. And take the same colours that I was using before and focus it more on my nose area. I feel like it looks cute, so I do it. Okay, so everyone, that is the makeup look complete. So the next thing on the agenda is to do I think we're gonna do the outfit first. As you can see, some items of clothing have appeared. The first outfit is out of this grey crop top, a grey hoodie slazenger. I think I got it from Sports Direct. Then grey cycling shorts to match that. The second outfit that I have is this graphic tee with some black shorts, cycling shorts again, and accessories to match. I think I'm gonna go with the grey one just because it's more comfortable and it's a nice at-home type outfit. So yeah, we're gonna put that on.
2 very boring minutes later.
Okay, and that is the outfit on. As you can see, I still have my Audrey collection headband on. I'll either insert a close-up of the fit or I'll show you the fit in a different setting so that you can actually see what I'm actually wearing and how nice it actually looks, because it fits me and I love it. Yes, this looks bad, I know. But let's get into it. We're fixing it now, so. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you would like to see more of these, comment down below and let me know, because I like shooting them. And if you would like to see any other videos, then comment as well. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and you know, subscribe if you haven't already. But anyway, thank you for watching. Follow me on all my socials and I'll see you in my next video. Wishing you peace, love and light and everything more. Mwah. You can literally go and look at my previous photos where I did not contour, so when I looked down like this, my nose, it just looked like a blank slate.